Namaskara, this is Ankita and my amma is there with me today.
Namaskara everybody. Good evening everybody.
So this is the first time ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ live ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ and I'm really happy. Thank you Sunfeast Mom's Magic for making this happen.
Thanks Alive India.
Thank you Alive India. Thank you so much. All right. Hi everybody. Hello. Okay. So, I hope all of you, I'm sure all of you are at home, safe and sound, and spending time with your family. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ and I have been utilizing this time playing the piano and the guitar and spending time with music and with family and eating different things.
Who is making those of this eating for you?
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ. Even I have been experimenting with food, not much as she's been doing it. So okay, so hello.
We are connected. So today I was like,
Oh, you're looking so beautiful.
thank you, Surashri ji. Hello to you, Champ, and
Hello.
namaskar to you, Surashri ji. I thought I'll play little games and appear a little later. And hence, that's where the mom's magic worked. So good to see both of you. And yes, for all our people out there, today we are meeting the so very adorable rock star, Ankita Kundu, where she's first runner-up on Kannada Saregama-pa Zeel Shams. If I'm not wrong, she's appeared on Colors TV, and she's also Alive India Music Foundation's own talent. Yes?
Thank you. Yes.
And for all our viewers out there, I would like to say that devotion of a mom is the phrase that I would like to use to define today's episode of Sunfeast Mom's Magic Concert that's supported by Alive India. And if all our viewers who've joined us live are wondering, why do I say that all across Facebook as well as Instagram, you'll know that right in a bit. For now, welcoming all of you once again to this most unique concert series that purely celebrates a mom's magic. Moms who keep us cheerful and safe no matter what, no matter how tough are the times. So hence here we are saluting this mom and saluting all those moms who keep us happy and safe, as I said, and stay strong moms, because the world needs your magic more than ever. And on that note, let's open this house with a blockbuster from Ankita's little Vitara of songs, and she is multilingual. So let's get started.
So I'll be starting with a song that was recently released. Konda. Blockbuster Konda. Acha. So I will start with a song which was sung by the legend Dr. S.P. Balasubramaniam and K.S. Chitrama. It's a Kannada song from the movie Shringara Kavya. I had sung this song in Zee Kannada, and it has completely changed my life after that.
Really?
Beautifully, yes. Thank you so much, Zee Kannada. Thank you, first of all. And beautifully composed by Karnataka's Nadabrahma Hamsalekha sir. So I'd sung this song in front of him.
And just to add, Ankita, I know when he sang it in Zee Kannada, the director, composer was in front of you. So it was a great experience. So the creator is in front of her and she's singing that creation.
Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get started. What's the wait for then?
ಮೇಘವೇ ಮೇಘವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ನೀ ಬೋಲೆಯ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿ ಬಾ ನಾ ಹೋಗಲು ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಈ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಮುಂದನೆ ಮೇಘವೇ ಮೇಘವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ನೀ ಬೋಲೆಯ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿ ಬಾ ಹೋಗಲು ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಈ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಮುಂದಿದೆ ಮೇಘವೇ ಮೇಘವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ಈ ಬೋಲೆಯ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿ ಬಾ. ಮುಗಿಲ ಬಾಣಗಳ ಒಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೃದಯ ಇಡುವೆ ನೀಡಿರುವೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ಓದುವೆಯ ಮುಗಿಲ ಬಾಣಗಳ ಒಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೃದಯ ಇಡುವೆ ನೀಡಿರುವೆ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಓದುವೆಯ ಈ ಬೆಳ್ಳನೆ ಓಲೆಯ ಹೀಗೆ ನಾ ಓದಲೆ ಇದು ಓದು ಓಲೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನಿನದೇ ಎಂದುಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನದ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಂದುಕೋ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಾಗಿಲ ನಾ ತೆರೆಯುವೆ ಬಂದು ನೀ ಸೇರಿಕೋ ಮೇಘವೇ ಮೇಘವೇ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾನದ ಪಥಕ್ಕೆ
I already feel so lively. And Shitanshu said, very nice voice. Somebody said, thank you for singing our favorite song. And not just multilingual, I would tell all my viewers, she's also multi-instrumentalist. But Ankita, tell me one thing, who's your first guru? I think I know the answer, but I'll ask you.
My first guru is the one who's sitting next to me. Is my mother. But if you say the formal training that who I took training from, who was my guide, my guru, and everything, is my maternal uncle Shri Arun Kumar Chakraborty, who was the student of Ustad Amir Khan Sahab.
Oh, really? So I think it's
Yes.
a lineage of, the bright people in the family there. And isi ke saath, because we're talking about multi, I've heard your medleys. So how about doing that next? Yeah. So can we do? Let's start with the Hindi medley. I think that'll be good for all our.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. And that smile can be seen. The mom's magic smile that could be seen.
She's the reason behind my smile all the time.
Yeah.
All the time.
So hardly looking at you, the camaraderie between a daughter and a mom.
जरा हल्ले हल्ले चलो मोरे साजना हम भी पीछे है तुम्हारे जरा हल्ले हल्ले चलो मोरे साजना हम भी पीछे है तुम्हारे कैसे भीगी भीगी रुत है सुहानी कैसे प्यारे नजारे जरा हल्ले हल्ले चलो मोरे साजना हम भी पीछे है तुम्हारे पिया 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 मोरा जिया पुकारे हम भी चलेंगे सैया संग तुम्हारे हम भी चलेंगे सैया संग तुम्हारे चोरी 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 काहे हमें पुकारे तुम तो बसी हो गोरी मन में हमारे तुम तो बसी हो गोरी मन में हमारे पिया पिया पिया
genius.
ये क्या कर डाला तूने, दिल तेरा हो गया,
Loving
हंसती
it.
हंसती में जाने दिल मेरा हो गया, ये क्या कर डाला तूने, दिल तेरा हो गया, हंसती हंसती में जाने दिल मेरा हो गया.
Wow.
ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे, दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे, मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना, हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे, मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना, हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे, ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना.
Super duper. Yay.
Thank you.
Amazing. Surashi
I think
ji.
the Kannada medley also you can
We can do it
yeah. I think you can
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can take some
Okay,
request.
Can we take some
Can we
requests?
take some request?
We can right away, but मुझे
Ma'am, yes,
सुराशी
tell
जी से तब तक एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी चीज पूछनी है, अगर वो अलाउ करेंगी तो.
हाँ हाँ. Please.
Well, Surashi ji, I know, मुझे अंकिता से पता चला you are a Kathak dancer, you've been a project manager, you've also been a trainer. आप बखूबी एक working mom की तरह रहती आई हैं, and at the same time, how tough it is to rear a star kid such as Ankita, you know. I think, you know.
Tough or easy, I don't know. And I don't think there's any general way of bringing kids. But मुझे लगता है, you know, like parents' role is more like a gardener. When we saw the seed, एक जब बीज जब लगाते हैं, slowly it will go, you know, from a small seed it will go to plant and it will go to big tree. But you don't make the tree. You just saw the seed and you know, सारे environment आप देते हो, पानी देते हो, sunlight. You make sure everything is there, and then someday it will be a big tree.
That's beautiful.
You know, every kid has its own hidden talent. So you
Yes.
just need to understand. I try to understand my kids that what they are passionate at.
So yes, basically understanding the inherent
Understanding
talent
the
of
kid
child.
and उसके हिसाब से उसको एक environment देना है
जी,
and
जी.
support करना है and let just see that how they, you know, blossom.
How they bloom, yes.
Yeah, मैं वही किया है, अंकिता को support दिया है, and one thing I must say that I could give only support so much because of Ankita's father. I mean, he is like a
We
person.
will.
मतलब
We
रात 2 बजे भी आप बोलेंगे अंकिता को लेके कोई रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो में
I
लेके
know,
जा,
the entire
फटाफट
family.
तैयार होके.
I know, I know.
So,
So we are going to
हम
talk
लोग-
more about that devotion bit. Of course, you're lucky, Ankita, to have such a magical mom and the seeds that this mom's magic has sown for you. Let's see and experience the beauty of it in your next song. So what's coming up next? Is
So,
it Kannada? Is it Bangla?
let's take
Is
up some song requests as
Let's do that.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
Yeah.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Thank you so much. ತುಂತುರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ ಹಾಡು. Okay. ಅದ್ ಹಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ನೀನು ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಕನ್ನಡ.
Hats off to your talent.
So a few days ago was Kannada's most iconic legend actor's death anniversary, Dr. Rajkumar sir, whom all the Kannadigas worship and adore, and are really blessed to are really blessed that he was the Karnataka's iconic actor. So somebody had requested me to sing a few lines of this song from the
Please,
movie
that's
Nanna Neenu ಗೆದ್ದಲು. And the most beautiful part of me learning Kannada was through Dr. Rajkumar's movies, as I watched it like plenty number of times on loop mode. So that's how So here the song goes. Hadi. Na na na. ನನ್ನ ನೀನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಾರೆ ಛಲಬೇಕೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೆದುರು ಮಾನ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಓಡುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಸೋಲೋಕೆ ಆಸೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನೀನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಾರೆ ಛಲಬೇಕೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೆದುರು ಮಾನ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಓಡುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಸೋಲೋಕೆ ಆಸೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನೀನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಾರೆ.
Super. So आपका जो सुर है, जो साज सज्जा है आपके गाने की, अंकिता, I would say that even if I, for that matter, don't understand the language, I am so thoroughly enjoying it. Yes.
Thank you.
That's
Thank
your
you.
beauty. And one song for the mom's magic. One song dedicated to
One
her.
song for the mom's magic.
Yes. And so Rashi ji, be prepared. मैं आपको भी शायद गाने को कह सकती हूँ.
इसके साथ मिल सकते हैं.
Can mom sing with me now?
Of course.
Maybe 2 lines. I cannot sing solo, but yeah.
Fans are loving it.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई जाने दो या जाने ना माने तो या माने ना तेरा मुझसे है पहला का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई तेरा मुझसे है पहला का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई देखो अभी खोना नहीं कभी जुदा होना नहीं देखो अभी खोना नहीं कभी जुदा होना नहीं उनके यूं ही मिल रहेंगे दोनों बना रहा ये इस शाम का जाने दो या जाने ना माने तू या माने ना. Thank you.
Well, that iconic kiss that gets planted on her cheeks.
Gets
And I can't say much. I think after your next song, ही मैं कुछ कह पाऊंगी. I think just want to enjoy this.
Okay. So next song, Kannada.
Yeah, you can say that.
So okay, I have so I've done teeny weeny bit of homework. So I've got some really nice catchy Kannada medleys. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೂರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೆಡ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. ಬಲೆಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗಲೇ ಅರಿವೇ ಸಂಜು. ಸೊಂಟ ಪಡುಕುವಾಗ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆಯಾಡುವಾಗ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ ಪಡುನೆಯಾಗ ಉಂಟು ನಗೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಜಾಗ ನೀನನ್ನ ಬಂದೆ ಆವಾಗ. ಸೊಂಟ ಪಡುಕುವಾಗ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆಯಾಡುವಾಗ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ ಪಡುನೆಯಾಗ ಉಂಟು ನಗೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಜಾಗ ನೀನನ್ನ ಬಂದೆ ಆವಾಗ. ಚಂದನ ಕೆಂಪು ಜೇನು ಇರುವ ತುಂಬೆ ಆಗುವಾದರೆ ನಂದನ ಮತ್ತು ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಧನ ನಿಧನ ಜೋಕೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಊರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಲ್ಲೋರಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನಾಗೆಚ್ಚೆ ಕಂಡೋರುಂಟು ಬಾನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಲೋರುಂಟು ನನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಂಡೋರಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮ ನಾನೇ ಕಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮ ನಾನೇ ಕಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ. ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು ತಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು ನಲಿದು ನಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಲಿದು ನಗದ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ.
Rajneesh says Santoshake is a great song. Oh. Wow. Amazing.
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆಯು ತೋಳಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಲು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಯಕೆಯು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಲು. ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಲು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆಯು ತೋಳಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಲು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಯಕೆಯು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಲು. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸವಿ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯನೆ ಸೋತೆನು ಎಂದು ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರೆತು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಇರಲು ನಾ ಬಂದೆನು. ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ನಾನಿನಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ನೀ ನನಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ನಾನಿನಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ನೀ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆಯು ತೋಳಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಲು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಯಕೆಯು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಲು. ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಲು. ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಲು.
All the moms would have loved this Jugalbandi. Wow, this is amazing.
Thank
And by
you.
the way, Ankita, can we get to see your papa, your dad, and of course your sister as well?
Your sister and Papa will.
Papa
show
is
not
shy,
all.
shy, shy.
Because Papa
Oh,
told
let him
mom's
not be shy.
magic. So whoever is the mom related, so they
That's
should
it.
be there.
Papa
Mom
doesn't-
and kids.
Okay, is Shalini
yeah,
around?
Ankita's-
Because I have to
Shalini-
ask her one thing.
Ankita's sister will come.
That's right.
Come.
And Shalini, 10 to 10. Here comes Shalini. Hi. Wow. Wow. I love that glow on the face. So, I have to ask you.
So mom
Shalini,
not only the one who's saying glow.
I have to ask you, Shalini, what is the mom's magic in the house? Especially if I talk about the last 1 month, it has been a little tough on us.
What's the mom magic in the house for the first one?
Mom kind of holds everything together. She does everything.
Yes.
She keeps everyone sane.
Yes. And are you saying that because she's a great cook?
I mean, yeah, that helps.
I love how you say that. And to you, Sudhashri ji, it is the time that we ask you, please, to tell all the moms who are watching us right now, what is that one mom's magic mantra that you would want to give to all the moms of today to stay strong, because they do so much for the kids in the family?
I think, yeah, so stay strong. Um, I just have to say that let your family, especially your kids, allow to pursue their passion and just chill out. Like everything will be over and everything will be okay. It's just a matter of time, especially right now we are going through a very difficult time.
Yes.
And more we think of positive, and spend time. I believe every disaster brings opportunity. So we will never get this opportunity of being together in family. So it's time to enjoy the moments.
The quality time, as we call it. I think it's a beautiful message that's been first time spoken here in this episode, that, you know, realize your kids' potential. So for all the moms out there, know your child, and of course, stay strong, stay happy, stay strong moms. That's the hashtag.
Yes, hashtag stay strong moms.
That's right. And that brings us, I'll be happy, Shanli, if you can be a part of the two. You know, get a chair for yourself and sit. So we'll have more chats. Of course, we'll have more chats. But
I just want to specially thanks ITC Sunfist. It's really a very, very unique, very beautiful
A great
concept.
initiative.
And I think in my life, first time I'm in front of the camera. I mean, Ankita tried many times, Mom, let's do something together. I said, no, I'm the back-end people. But when, Alive India, especially Supratik, told me that, can we do this? And it's a great initiative to help all those people who are having difficult in finding foods and shelters and all those, to help
thank you,
them.
Sudhashri ji, for acknowledging us. And I think it's all about the mom's magic that inspired us to curate this beautiful
Thanks to
series.
you, actually, because you are the 50% of these whole things. When it's not only the screen is divided to half an hour, it's
You are so
actually
kind.
you make things so interesting and so lively. Take care. I wish
Thank you
all
so
the
much.
best.
But I'm not leaving you both right now.
Surely,
So,
surely.
Ankita, to cheer up the entire India and the big world out there,
Yes.
what's coming up next to cheer our spirits, and especially all the strong moms who are watching us right now?
So the next song I wanted to sing was it's a new movie song that had sung for before the Corona breakdown, known as मधवे माडरी सरी भुगताने. हिंदी में कहते शादी कर लो सब सुधर जाएगा. Actually, that depends.
So, okay, let's get started.
It's beautifully it's beautifully composed by Avinash Basutkar sir, and beautifully penned by the director of this movie, Mr. Gopi Karur sir. So here are a few lines.
Sure.
Swara prem raga swara prem raga kidi noda kanasalu kada ure bisilale tanu nadugide jana janapada agide prema pada janapada agide prema pada.
Ankita, I we have. Okay, go ahead.
Were you saying something?
I was. I'm sorry for the interruption, but
No worries.
Suprati Ghosh, I think he says that let's do a multilingual medley after you wrap up this We Are India, So right after
Done.
this, for all of
Done,
you.
done. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡದೇನೋ ಮನಸ್ಸೆ ಕನಸನೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಜನನ ಶುರು ಹೃದಯದ ಮಿಲನ ಕನಸಲು ಮನಸಲು ನಿನ್ನದಿ ಕಲನ ಬಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಡಲಿ ನಾನು ಜಾನಪದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪದ ಜಾನಪದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪದ
Shabash.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Somebody is also saying Vande Mataram, but I think the idea of a medley of multilingual really works because you are multi-dimensionally
Thank you.
talented.
Thank you. So let's try something multilingual.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with since though I sing multilingual in the 7 languages, I never forget to put
7
Bengali.
languages.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. So I always make sure that I put Bengali in it because as Bengali is my mother tongue.
I know.
And-
And that reminds me of an interesting question, but that comes after the medley. We'll chat, but for now.
So let me start with Hindi first. आज कल पाँव ज़मीन पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे। बोलो देखा है कभी तुमने मुझे उड़ते हुए। Next is Tamil. उदया उदया उड़रगे उइरानु नहीं गिरगी कादल पींडवी कादल पींडवी கடல்தாகம் உன்னாலே பின்னாலே உதயம். Next is Telugu. జల్లంత కవింత కావాలిలే ఒళ్ళంత తుళ్ళింత రావాలిలే జల్లంత కవింత కావాలిలే ఒళ్ళంత తుళ్ళింత రావాలిలే ఉడుకు వయసు దుడుకు తనుము నిలవదు తొలగది మెరుగున ఉనికి పడిన కలిగి సొగసు కోనమ్మ మెచ్చింది ఎన్నెల్లు బిందెలెల్లు తెచ్చింది. Next is Bengali. Bengali ki gabo. উজ্জ্বলা ঝাঁকায়রা সূর্যেরও জলরোদে চঞ্চল পাখনায় উঠছে নিশ্চিত ঘন নীল গ্রহ তারা থাকে যদি থাকতেন শুনতে একার হে গম্ভীর অশান্ত সৃষ্টি প্রশান্ত মন্থর অবকাশ হে অসীম উদাসীন বারো মাস চৈত্রের রোদে উদ্দাম উল্লাসে তুমি নেই আমি নেই কেউ নেই ওর শুধু আচ্ছা পায়া. Then next is
Wow.
Malayalam. കണ്ണോണ്ട് ചൊല്ലണ മിണ്ടാട മിണ്ട ഉന്നാര പരന്തത്തെ ചുണ്ടോണ്ട് ചൊന്നത് നെഞ്ചോണ്ട് കേൾക്കണ കൊഞ്ചാര പരന്തത്തെ പൂവരശൻ ചെല്ലയും നീ കിളിരണ്ടും കൂടണമേ മാറിവെള്ളിൻ ലേവിറങ്ങി മഴവന്ന് പൂത്തിരുന്നേ മഴവന്ന് പൂത്തിരുന്നേ കണ്ണോട് മിണ്ടാതെ
fans are loving
But
it
yes,
across
that's
India.
the last, but that's the most beautiful thing to end with. Eh, hey, bajo. Da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, eh, hey. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನ ಮೆಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ, ಇದು ವಿಧಿಯೋಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ, ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ, ವಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನ ಮೆಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ, ಇದು ವಿಧಿಯೋಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ, ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ, ವಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ.
Super duper beautiful, and I think it's you're gifted with this rarest talent, and not just gifted. I think the way you're honing it, and I would take this moment to say thank you to you, Surashri ji, for being the backbone of the family, and you are an inspiration when it comes to being a strong mom. But with that, I think because I think you featured in, like, your songs have been featured in like 20 Kannada films, if I'm not wrong, right? And as everybody is calling you Anku, so I'll take this liberty of calling you Anku. It sounds more homely. So, Anku, tell us, how did like Kannada music happen to you? Because you're a Bengali, and I mean, I'm surprised.
This is one of the insane moments, insane incidents, and a complete life changer
Can I
in
interrupt?
my
Yeah.
life. Haan, bolo.
Yeah. I think I can tell something, a small story like that.
Please.
we were there in a Hindi reality show in Mumbai when first time we got a call from Zee Kannada that their audition is happening and they wanted Ankita to participate in Zee Kannada Saregamappa. That was season 10. I'm talking about 2015. So I told that person that his name was Mr. Sachin Prakash, still very close to us, and we always thank Sachin ji. for
Sachin sir,
introducing
Anil
Ankita.
sir.
Yeah, introducing Ankita into that. So when he called, I told, I think you are doing some mistake because Ankita is not into Kannada singing and she doesn't know Kannada song till now. No, it's okay. Even if she doesn't know, it's okay. Then we came back and at home I told Ankita that
Sorry
this
to
is the
interrupt.
story.
At that point, I was skating downstairs. Mama suddenly calls me on the landline saying, "Kal Kannada auditions hai."
What was
Then,
it?
yeah, then I told that, Zee Kannada, day after tomorrow audition is happening.
Tomorrow,
so they
not
called
even
me.
day after tomorrow, the
So
next day.
she literally started crying. I'm in tears pouring. Oh, please, Ma, don't tell me. Please don't push me like that. This is the problem with all the parents. They want. I say, I told them that they're not, but be like a respected channel if they call. You can go and nicely tell that, I cannot sing Kannada song and like that. But anyway, still somehow she went there and I was waiting in their NG Road office outside. She went inside with somebody and then after 45 minutes, when she was inside 45 minutes, I thought, what is she doing? Then she came back and she gave me a big hug. Mom, I'm so happy, This one producer, her name was Varsha. She was also a very famous actress in Kannada film industry. Varshaka told me, okay, you don't need to sing Kannada song, whatever you know. So I sang Bairi Piya of Shiaji, and all these things and like that. But I really liked that, she was in tears and I really, liked. Then after that, one by one, next call again came, for the second phase, third phase. And then it was all history. I mean, the way we were to thank everybody in the Karnataka, kind of love and affection they showed to Ankita.
They showered
We,
continuous blessings
really,
and love.
really thankful to everybody, for Karnataka. Now what will say, Ankita, push, parents always will push.
At that point, I was don't tell me. I mean, please. At that point, I was 13 years old and I didn't know what to do. So I was like, why are you doing this to me, Anta? So yeah, exactly. But now it's a complete. It's all I can say is a big thank you to all the Kannadigas who have accepted me and mom as well.
Of course.
Because
Yes.
no, because it has been such a beautiful journey with Kannada. Every time I come live, there are so many beautiful requests that I get, suggestions that I get.
Yes,
So
seeing
I'm
so much of
really,
it right
really,
now.
really happy about it.
Yes.
Thank you.
And yeah, it's a sheer passion, and of course, I think our moms who push us beyond boundaries. We may not like it at that very juncture, but I think it's that magic that keeps us going and makes us what we are. So, on that note, Anku, can we just wrap up with the last song? You know, क्या गाना
So-
चाहेंगे आप? Can we sing Vande Mataram, because I got to know that you sing that beautifully well. So many people are saying thank you to Srashri ji as well. So love your smile. With that song for all of you, we are India. Supratik _Ghosh.
Thank you, Supratik.
Shupratikta, hi. Thank you for watching this video.
Great. So Yon Kithan Kins are watching. Great. So yes, this song.
A lot of great initiatives from Supratik, from Alive India, which Ankita was part of, and we were
Great.
working for many projects. He's a like bundle of energy, always on thinking of
Lovely.
what
Thank you
next
for
is
that
it. But, yeah.
mention, I'm sure, to him. And yes. So
Should we sing,
your fans are just so excited to hear you, Ankita. Yeah.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala, Sufala, Malaya Shitala, Sasya Shamana Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamine Fulla Kusumita Drumadana Shobhine Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Thank you so much for such a beautiful rendition. Thank you to both of you. And with that, I'm going to say to all my viewers across Facebook and Instagram that be with us at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Why do I say that? Because there's going to be the last iconic episode of Sunfeast Mom's Magic Concert. You know already who's going to join us, but I will still say that we're going to be joined by your favorite Kunal Ganjawala and also his beautiful wife, who's an adorable singer. She's also going to be joining us to cheer up all those moms out there to stay strong, because remember that the world needs your magic more than ever. Sending loads of love to this magical, beautiful duo out there, Surashri ji, and to you, Ankita.
Thank you
Much
so
love
much.
to your father as well as your sister. It was so good. I mean, to talk about them. And right when we are winding up, of course, you meet tomorrow at 6 p.m. But tell me one thing, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो family मिलकर साथ में करती है during these days of lockdown?
What the whole family does together in the
Yes.
lockdown. The best part of the lockdown is that we all sit together and we eat
Super.
together.
I mean,
Like we
nothing
sit,
like it.
We like eye contact each other. We are laughing. We are choking on food.
Super.
Talking, but that's the best part. Helping each other in the kitchen while cooking. Mom
Great.
and dad, all of us. Yes. The household work, we do it together.
That's
so
great.
that's one
And
thing
who
that
is
is
the inspiration behind it? Is she the inspiration behind it?
Yes, absolutely.
Amazing. So on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so
that
much.
mom's magic, Surashi ji.
My love
And
to all the strong moms.
thank you. So आपका कहना it's even more emphatic. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank
See you all at 6 p.m. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Then I can post.
Encode?
Post.
Post better.